Our CellPower water bottle was developed based on the redox concept and therefore has two operating options, the 3-minute cycle and the 5-minute cycle. And we are now going to explain in a very simple way and under an electric point of view the redox concept. The redox term refers to the reduction, oxidation that takes place in the context of the reaction. But what is the meaning of oxidation and reduction? In a very simple way, oxidation refers to electrons loss. Reduction, on the other hand, is the gain of electrons. When there is hydrogen release or oxygen fixation, oxidation also occurs, and the opposite goes for reduction. It is important to understand the general concept and that these are phenomena that happen constantly and that they are dependent upon each other. And you might be asking now, why is it important to lose and gain electrons? Well, the answer is very simple. This is how we keep ourselves alive. If this balanced exchange does not exist, it is a sign that we are dead. Oxidation gives us energy, and reduction locks that energy release. But why stopping that energy? We want to have energy. Yes, but we have to control this energy. Let's try an analogy here to get the point across. Imagine that we have a super fast car, meaning with a very large oxidation capacity, a lot of energy, and we decide to go to the beach in it. But the road that leads to the beach is very curvy, and remember that our car has no reduction capacity. It has no brakes and only energy. After 2 curves and on full speed, we crash. Now you start to get the picture as to why reduction is so important. Reduction is what actually controls the energy we need. Continuing the analogy, this accident represents an illness. This is what our bottle allows you to do, to drink water with reducing effects. And now let's see why the CellPower water bottle has 2 options, the 3-minute cycle and the 5-minute cycle. Both cycles produce water with reducing capacity, but the 5-minute cycle produces more hydrogen and therefore has a greater reducing capacity. So how should we use it? According to traditional Chinese medicine, our body goes into oxidation in order to produce energy from midnight until noon, and at noon we reach the maximum oxidation peak. So we are more energetic in the morning. From noon to midnight, our body goes into recovery, meaning into a state of reduction. Now it's easy to understand, from the moment we wake up until around noon, we should drink water using the 3-minute cycle, and from midday, we should use the 5-minute cycle. I hope you understood it, and now let's drink water according to the redox concept.